figure I might be able to help someone out with their door pin issues. If your doors are not shutting properly, if it shuts any harder than that, or when you open the door and you pick up on it, this one doesn't wiggle because it has new pins, but if yours wiggles, you have worn bushings most likely. And what I'm talking about, get something to point. What I'm talking about is right inside here, you can see the pin. These are new pins. There's these bushings in here. The stock ones are, they're not copper, I don't know if they're bronze. I think they're bronze. These get worn out, you know, it's a softer metal than this metal, so that's a wear part. These wear out, they get sloppy, and then your door shuts wrong. These are new pins from CP Addict. This is the top and bottom pin replacement kit that they have. These come with, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there, but these come with these, I think they're E-clips or C-clips. So if you ever need to take the door off, just pop the clips off, pop the pins out. Comes with new bushings as well. Highly recommend it. It's a great kit, and it's not too hard to install. On the driver's side, I'll explain. On this side, the stock pins are rivets, so you cannot get them out unless you drill them. So this is what I came up with. This is a 1 foot Irwin drill bit extension. Now you have to get this type of bit. It comes with a shank on it that you could, per se, stick in an impact driver drill. You can click that right into this extension, and then you have to drill straight down on the rivet and straight up. You can hold the drill there. And then the bottom one, it gets a little more complicated, but you can figure it out to drill that. Seemed to work for me, worked for a couple other guys on YouTube. Now for the passenger side, that's where the hard part comes in. These are shot on this side, so you can see when you open the door, it sags. And when you pick up on the bottom of the door, this one's a little rusty because I live in New York. You can see it wiggles up and down about a 1/4 inch. So the culprit here is the door pin bushings, as I was saying. You can see it's quite dirty, but my bottom one actually has a little bit of gap in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there, but it has a little gap, so that's definitely the worn one right there. These are stock bushings, so these are rivets. So the only way you can get these out is by drilling, like I was saying. You can see on the bottoms, these actually have, that's the rivet part right there. There's a little hole. So the only way to get these out on the passenger side, at least what I've surmised, is you have to take the door off, take these 2 bolts out in the top hinge, bottom hinge, take your wiring out, pop the door off, and then you have to take these hinges off of the cab, you know, stick them in a vise, drill them out, replace the pins, throw the door back on. For the record, this is a 97 F350, all the F150s, 250s, 350s of the OBS, all the same game. But anyways, hope it helps someone out, and enjoy.